Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix pending money and funds on Steam. First of all, you have to open Steam and log into your account. Then after logging in, you have to tap onto your profile icon and select account details. You have to tap onto your profile icon and tap onto account details. Tap onto it. Wait until it is done, until the login is done. As you can see, I have some internet problems, so it is showing error. Now you have to go to view purchase history and find the pending transaction in the list. Click on the cancel my purchase. You have to click on cancel my purchase. Then repeat this process for any other pending transaction. Then restart Steam and check if you can now make a purchase or not. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. If this video was helpful, comment down below.